Hey, what's going on, Pyros? Dynamite Dave back at you here with another video. Today we're going to be looking at some crackers and setting them off and see which one's the loudest. Got 4 of them to look at today, so here we go. Let's get it on. We got Dragonfly, Crazy Kobe, Fizzy Stick, and Foop Den. Pretty neat little artwork on that one. Just got that one the other day. All right, let's try it out and see. Let's start out with try Crazy Kobe. Nice little pop on that one. All right, let's try Fizzy Stick. That's the next one, Fizzy Stick. That one's even louder. All right, Foop Den. Even louder yet. Last but not least, Dragonfly. Let's try it and see what it does. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ooh, that was the loudest by far. Even put a hole in the grass. Look at that thing. Wow. Well, I guess we know the answer for that one, guys, huh? Don't we? But hey, if you guys liked the video, smash the like button. Leave a comment if you liked any of the stuff that you saw or anything you'd like to see in the future. All right, see you guys on the next one.